There's a lot of area to play, adventure, to learn like reality from nature. I made that hill.
I studied in HPS.
Okay.
We had a
I was HPS was donated by my grandmother.
So that is a privilege that we all had in our childhood to study in such a huge campus.
It's the same campus I live on. She had a campus of some 300 acres. It was a beetle and money.
Okay.
You get my point? A lady. She gave away public school from 120 acres.
Okay.
Now there's some still 180 acres which she has, which I live on now.
Where? Over there?
Opposite side of the road. The road goes to the middle of her property. And that's also a bigger field. And this Butla bigger field. This was also hers. Including Sanat Nagar and all that. All the 500 acres. Now we have about 80 remaining. The rest got 80 acres.
Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I could request you all to kindly settle down.
It is a lamp light.
Once again, thank you so much for joining us for the inauguration of Gardens Lab by My School Italy. And now let us do the formal lamp lighting under the patronage of His Excellency Ronak Yar Khan, 9th Nizam of Asaf